Welcome to Intuition. Intuition is a one-stop shop of tutoring in all subjects, and we also provide a range of other educational services.
I thought it looked nice because it was in like really good condition instead of other tuition places.
Well, I thought Intuition had really great and modern architecture, as well as the fact that all of the teachers here have lots of experience.
First we started off good, then okay, then more days it get really good.
I like the people because they're really nice and like caring.
Here, I feel like it relax a bit because all the teachers make you feel relaxed and they know what they're doing first of all. So then it makes me just feel calm when I'm here studying.
I really think that it's a personalized experience as well as a good design and friendly environment here.
Well, this one first of all has a more organized structure. The teachers, don't get me wrong, in the past I had good tuition teachers, but here I think it's another level.
The other tuition centers are like not as well known, so maybe they're run down or like not many people work there, or like the teaching's bad.
Well, Intuition is a great learning environment as well as high caliber of teachers. What I noticed was that all of the other tuition centers maybe had a great learning environment, although the teachers there were not as high caliber here.
Yes.
Most definitely.
Yes.
Yes.